Hello students. So today we are going to study this practical this is the practical number 1 of chapter number 4, that is calculating simple interest in MS Excel. So we will know how to calculate simple interest in MS Excel. So this is the sheet in front of you. Now you can create the sheet for calculating simple interest. So as you can see, there are different columns here, A, B, C, D, etc. on this row. Okay, and there are different rows. Okay, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. These are the rows of this sheet. So now what we are going to do, we have to calculate simple interest. So what we have to do, we can write the formula. First we need some values. For example, do you know what is the formula for calculating simple interest? So in mathematics, to calculate simple interest, we need to use a formula. Okay, so what is that formula, do you know? So I am going to show you what is the mathematical formula. After that I will come to this sheet and then we will know that how to calculate simple interest using MS Excel. So now you can see this is the Word file. In MS Word I am going to write first the formula or how to calculate simple interest. So to calculate simple interest, we have principal amount, principal amount, first thing we can, and second thing, that is rate of interest, we should know rate of interest. After that, time, and then we can check the interest. Okay, so these are 4 things which are required to calculate simple interest. Okay, we can write principal amount, this one, as P. Okay, if the principal amount is P and then rate of interest is R, if the rate of interest is R, and if the time is T. Okay, this is R and time is T. For example, then interest will be I, simple interest. This is here simple interest. We can write simple interest as I. So here are 4 values: principal amount P, rate of interest R, time T, and interest I. So there will be a formula. We can calculate simple interest using this formula, that is I equal to P into R, P into R into T. This is the multiplication. You can see P multiplied by R multiplied by T and divided by 100. So actually this is the formula to calculate simple interest. So we can use this formula in MS Excel to calculate simple interest. So directly we cannot write this formula actually in MS Excel. We have to convert these values into cell references. Okay, so how to calculate simple interest using MS Excel? Let's see in this sheet. So first we write principal amount. So for example, principal, this is principal amount. We can write here principal amount P. This is principal amount. Write it here. What is the principal amount? Principal amount here. Okay. Then second value is, what is the rate of interest? Rate of interest. You can write it here also. Rate of interest. Next, time. What is the time period? Suppose the time is given in years. So time period here. Then we will find the simple interest. Okay. Here the interest is simple interest. This interest is simple interest. So you can write this simple interest here like this. Okay. Now suppose the principal amount is, for example, 5,000. This is the principal amount, 5,000, and rate of interest yearly is 9%. This is the rate of interest, 9%. And suppose this amount is hired or given for a time of 6 years. Okay, you can see. So now what will be the interest, simple interest? So in this formula, if we put these values P, R and T, then we can find here value. We can find value like this. 5,000 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 6. Okay. So now you can see it. I can zoom it like this. Okay, 5,000 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 6 and then divide by 100. Then we will get simple interest here. So what to do? How to multiply these numbers? To multiply these numbers, we have to write a formula here. We have to write a formula here in this cell. So write formula, we have to write equal symbol first of all. After that, cell reference of this cell. What is the cell reference? For example, this is the E column and row number is 6. Okay, column E and row number 6. So the reference of this cell will be E6. Okay, E6 will be the cell reference. Okay. Now, similarly, the cell reference, we need rate of interest, means R. We can write here P. This is P here. This value is R. This value is T. Okay, and this is rate of interest I. So P into R into T will be equal to I. So what we have to do? First we have to write equal symbol to calculate simple interest, and after that write reference of this cell. Okay, write a bracket, place a bracket here, and cell reference of this cell is E6. Okay, then to multiply we write here star symbol. Got it? After that, cell reference of this next cell. Cell reference is E8. Okay. After that, we have to multiply T, and T is here 6. And what is the cell reference? After that, write multiply and cell reference of this. This is E10. So you can see E is a column and 10 is a row. So reference is E10. Now close the bracket like this, and divide by 100. Okay. Now press enter key. Press enter key. So as you can see now, after multiplying 5000 by 9 multiplied by 6 and dividing by 100, we get 2700. 2700. So this is the value 2700. So you can format this cell and like this. You can place all border here. So in this way you can calculate simple interest using MS Excel.